Welcome to my Hawaii vlog. We're in the mountains right now, but we're gonna go on a trail. This is so head trail. This is the first obstacle. Wow, starting off strong. Oof, I already slipped. Okay, it's getting cooler. Not as hot and humid as the street. Alright, took my socks off. We're ready for the first water crossing. My friends have already left me. Gonna pick my feet up and literally just walk in the water. Yeah, that's way easier.
There you go.
Yeah. Get a bamboo stick.
You can pull it. You can. Right
Get me one. Get me a stick so I can look sporty, official.
Yeah, you had that chance in the car.
Well, look, there's one right here. It's fine.
Yeah. Make sure. Ah, fuck.
Look at the majestic water right here. Let's take a little break and rinse my shoes off. Oh! I'm like slipping and sliding.
Hey, why do you have that in your hand?
I'm recording! Ooh, this looks kind of... I'm literally just like using this shit as a stair stepper. Whew, it's hot, y'all. But so far we're probably about halfway up. This is what I get to look at. Still gotta go. This is so head ass. You know what else I forgot to get at Walmart? A nose ring.
Shops, some restaurants. Okay, this is where the falls are.
Use your arms.
Look at those sandals. That was the last girl who was talking shit. These are the sandals of the last.
I look like a man's sandals. Look, you have to be low and do parkour. Look at that stance, that athletic stance right there. We made it! Damn, this looks pretty. Hell yeah, I'm already sweating halfway there. Ooh. I already slipped in the water. Okay, we made it to the falls. This is it right here. The stream comes all the way down. We're gonna go swimming now. I'm already halfway sweaty. Bye. Thank y'all for telling us where the hole was at, because that was so scary.
It was kind of scary.
I was like, I don't like swimming in water I can't see, so. Yeah.
If you do a cannonball, you won't hit the ground.
No, actually, I didn't touch the ground either times. Wonder what kind of tree this is. Is this how the tree naturally grew, or? My dad just fell too. Put your feet here.
I just fell. He's over here talking about just get me dirty, huh? I just fell.
Great job.
She didn't even fall. Her foot slipped and her foot landed in the mud.
Step in these little holes right here. Don't go that way because my dad fell going that way. Use these little like holes as steps.
Look when you decided to step.
You're delirious.
Okay, I'm done with recording for now. What time is it? What if it get dark and we stranded? Who got a flare gun?
Do you have your phone with you? Where are we?
We ain't got no service. I didn't have service coming up this mountain.
We had service by the...
Oh shit. That looks trippy.
What phone is that? Should I eat this, guys? Look how majestic it is.